So one last question, Sheetal. So you did mention tax. I do have clients in Singapore. That's what I deal with. And they are based in the UK but moved to Singapore, or they're based out of India then moved to Singapore. So their families are still in the UK or in India, and they have Indian passports or British passports or let's say European passports. Now, if they buy a property in Dubai, Dubai is tax-free, we all know. But do they have to pay taxes to their home country? So does that matter?
You're talking about a tribe which is called global expats.
Right.
Global expats has their own challenges when it comes to tax residencies as well, because your individual tax residencies moves with your residency status wherever you are spending most of your time, right? And you become tax resident of the country if you are spending majority of your time in that particular country, right? Person who is living in UAE most of his time, it is not a challenge because UAE does not yet have personal income tax. Personal income tax. However, the other countries which you mentioned, be it UK or India or Singapore, they all have personal income tax. And most of the personal income tax laws, caters for taxing your global income, no matter where your assets or properties are, but if you are a tax resident of those countries.
But if that money resides in the UAE, so let's say if they get rental income and I put that in a bank account in Dubai,
it doesn't matter. Effectively, if suppose you are a tax resident of UK,
then I would have to pay tax on the rental yields.
Global income, which includes direct assets which you are holding, say for example in UAE as well. In order to address these challenges, that's why I said when you want to achieve an efficient frontier of your wealth, you cannot ignore death and taxes, correct? And that's where the structuring comes into play. I mean, smartest of the families in the world who are there since 17th centuries, Rothschild families, Tatas, they have preserved their wealth over centuries, over many generations. And how they have done it? By creating trust structures and foundation structures and all, which caters for succession.
I love that. That's very detailed. And yeah, that's Sheetal, one of our partners at MICS. And anything you need, succession planning, will related, tax related, he is the right person to contact and one of our partners anyway. So thank you, Sheetal, and we look forward to working together.
Thank you, Malika.